In this video, we will learn about the definite articles and their association with the masculine and feminine nouns.
Les articles définis.
Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. First, let's understand, what is an article? An article is a type of determiner that is used with nouns to provide information about the noun's definiteness and specificity. It is a word that modifies a noun in a particular way by stating whether the noun is specific, unspecific, or partial. There are three types of French articles, and they all agree in gender and number with the nouns. They modify as per the gender agreement rule. We have already learned the gender agreement rule in our earlier lessons. There are three types of articles: definite, indefinite, partitive. The definite article indicates that the speaker is referring to either a specific noun or to a class of nouns in a general sense. The indefinite article indicates that the speaker is referring to either an unspecific noun or one or some of something. The partitive article indicates that the speaker is referring to only a portion or some of an uncountable noun, often food or drink. In this video, we will learn the definite article in detail. In English, there is only one definite article. But in French, there are four types of definite articles, depending on the gender and number of the noun, as well as what letter it begins with. The English definite article, the, has four equivalent forms in French.
Le,
used with the masculine singular noun. For example,
le livre, le garçon, le chien.
The second type is
La,
used with the feminine singular noun. For example,
la voiture, la fille, la maison.
The third type is
Les,
used with the plural nouns, no matter what the gender is. For example,
les garçons, les filles, les livres.
the last type is
L'apostrophe,
used with the noun that begins with vowel or H. For example,
l'abricot, l'arbre, l'hôpital.
mastering articles is essential for building grammatically correct French sentences. We try to explain this in a very simple way. Let's repeat one more time.
Le,
Used with the masculine singular noun.
la,
Used with the feminine singular noun.
les,
Used with the plural nouns, no matter what the gender is.
l'apostrophe,
Used with the noun that begins with vowel or H. That's all for today. We hope you have learned something new. So, see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.